Now, the last thing that we're going to look at is expand your vision. I have built it, I have built my team, I have managed the dynamics of my team, I have a good network. How do I grow my vision? The first thing is that you define growth, and it's that place where you know that you're ready to expand your revenue. You're ready to expand generally. Okay? So what you do, you're seeking other options on how to expand your business. So there are different axes of growth. It could be in sales. There are some people who believe that their business they are doing better when they have more sales. There are others who believe that when more money comes in, there are others who are like, okay, when our company is worth more. The others are like, when I'm employing more people, I have 50 employees, I've made it. And the others are like, okay, I want to reach more people. That is the number of clients. So there are different axes of growth. But the question now is, how do I grow? There are many tips on how to grow, for example, but we are going to talk about 4. The first one is, leave your comfort zone. Life is very simple. You can sleep every day, sleep, get up, eat, sleep, get up, eat. You're paying 100,000 francs, it's also your basic needs, you're fine. But if you think that your business has to go beyond, leave your comfort zone. Do that thing that you will not do. Okay? Your normal, okay, let's use the typical routine. My normal routine says that I come to work from Mondays to Thursdays. I don't come Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's my business, so I can come when I want to come. But if I want to grow, I have to start considering coming on Friday and even Saturday. Alright? Now, I come this Friday, I don't come next Friday. I come this Friday, I don't come next Friday. Some people will be like, I can go to the office and it's closed. So when you want to start coming on Fridays, come every Friday. And the truth is that there are Fridays that you come and there are no people. It might be because on Fridays you're not also doing anything that is encouraging them to want to come. Constantly innovate. Think of new things. This year, Tantata said we are going to do a photo shoot with wreaths, gifts, Christmas shoot and all of that. It was nice, right? For those who saw pictures, it was nice. Next year, everybody will do it. So what can they do different? They can say, okay, we'll hire models who come and stand. They'll wear these rags like shepherds in the time of Jesus, and we're going to shoot a typical Jesus scenario. Jesus was born scenario. So we wear those funny dresses that they are wearing. It's innovative. And I would love that kind of a shoot. I'm not a picture person, but I love it. All of this could be summarized in what we call the power of vision, teamwork, and networking. Now, let's conclude with something interesting. It's an extract from Forbes magazine. It's an advice to startups. They say, build a successful startup by surrounding yourself with mentors and team members with complementary skills. Launch and iterate fast. If needed, fail quickly. Statistics have shown that there is a 20% chance of making it in your business when you fail the first time. So fail fast so that you can revamp and make money. Test ideas. Boost startup values with your own resources, and finally raise the funds to accelerate growth. Because at the end of the day, we all want to grow our business. So thank you very much for your keen attention.